Hi, I'm McKee and I'm here to talk about Agile software development. The point of user stories and not getting stuck on technical tasks. User stories are the bedrock of Agile software development. They replace the need for cumbersome requirements documents. The point of user stories in Agile is to capture information about a change that is needed to bring about a desired outcome or intention. Your job as a software engineer is to put together a list of user stories that capture the change that is required. Likewise, a stakeholder can evaluate from the list of user stories what the scope of the change is. How much detail or work should a user story contain? A user story should be achievable in one sprint. If you can't achieve that, then the story is too big and needs to be broken down. A user story is also not a technical task. Your end user should be able to understand the content of any user story. Later, you can add technical tasks, but don't do that at this point, otherwise your stories will get bogged down. Let's talk about user stories and how they capture the desired outcome. Here's an example. Self-service checkouts at supermarkets. Food Mart PLC is asking for this change. I want 50% of my tills to be self-service and for all of those customers to not need staff intervention. What is the intent? What is the value? Maybe they're trying to save on staff costs. Maybe they want to get more transactions through. These are the questions we need to ask our stakeholder to understand the outcome. Having gotten our answers, we can then start putting together a comprehensive list of user stories that capture the changes needed to achieve the desired outcome for Food Mart PLC. An example list could be: explore the options available on the market for types of self-service checkouts, narrow down a short list of checkouts, train a subset of staff on assisting customers with the self-service checkouts, test the shortlist with a focus group, pick the terminal to run a pilot with in one store, determine if any customization is needed of the terminal, and finally, assess the results of the pilot in one store. We can plan for a project with these user stories. This is about an iterative process of working towards a goal, even if the goal itself may change.